So I wanted to do something a little different for Halloween with this arrangement. So instead of the traditional orange and black, I decided to play with a pink and black color palette. It still has that dramatic Halloween feel, but it's a little softer, a little more glam, and definitely not what everyone else is used to seeing or sitting on their table. So for this design, I actually started with the bow first. Sometimes I'll add ribbon later, but for this piece, I wanted that ribbon to be a main feature instead of an afterthought on this design. So that black and gold fair silk ribbon just gives it that rich, dramatic look and really sets the tone for this whole arrangement. It is absolutely beautiful. We do have that ribbon in the shop, just FYI. So once the bow was in place, I started adding greenery around it to create the shape and movement. You know, I love my drama with that ivy. I love using the trailing greenery in arrangements like this because it softens the container. It keeps everything from feeling, too stiff or too perfect. It gives the piece just a little flow, which of course I always love. So then I started working in the florals. The bright pink flowers are what makes this piece feel so unexpected. They give it that fun pop of color, while the black flowers, so I use some black roses here, bring in that moody Halloween drama. So as I continued to build on this design, I just kept layering and adjusting, adding florals, tucking in greenery, and making sure the ribbon still had room to show. That's really the key when you start with your bow. You don't want to bury it. You want everything else to kind of help support around it. So I love how the pink, black, and green and gold all just really work together here. It feels bold and seasonal, but still elegant enough to use in your actual home. So this is a Halloween design with a little bit of glam, a little bit of drama, and just enough pretty to keep it from feeling too spooky. So tell me, would you try pink and black for Halloween? Or are you more of a classic orange and black decorator? So I hope you enjoyed this quick little tutorial of me designing this Halloween arrangement. I would love to have you like and subscribe. Hit that notification bell. You'll be notified every time we have new tutorials.